I fell in love with the culture here. I fell in love with the diversity of people you get to work with, the level of standard, the level of product quality that you get to work with. Growing up in the Broadmoor back when I was 19 and 20 years old, it was always known as the restaurant at the Broadmoor, like kind of like the restaurant that it was always busy and it was always crazy and it was always, you know, a fun environment. I was nervous. I was like, you know, kind of overwhelmed at first, but then I took it and I made it my own, and I'm really proud of it. What I'm trying to bring at the Broadmoor is now what I've always wanted to do. It's take Puerto Rican food and kind of refine it and just make it a little bit more met for these kind of settings. I got red snapper, which is traditionally served whole back home or fried or steamed or stuffed with tomatoes. It's really common, but I took it and I filleted it. I took it out of the skin. I like to basically kind of trim it up so it looks a little bit better on the plate. Red pepper mojo. We got some Creole tomato pepper sauce, some plantains made into little croquettes, avocado puree, and that's it. It's a really simple dish. There's only like 3 or 4 major ingredients on it. Now that we got a good sear in the bottom, we're gonna go in the oven. We're gonna fry our plantain croquettes while the fish is in the oven. In this version, I'm using the green plantain. And I take it and I steam it for a little bit and then I fry it to kind of get a double texture so it kind of dries out on me a little bit in the fryer. And then I puree with some garlic, a little bit of that steaming water, then some salt. Very simple. We're gonna finish that with a little bit of lime. We start our plating with the Creole tomato pepper sauce. The red pepper sauce is a nice complement to it because it brightens up that dish and it has a little bit of that peppery smokiness as well. Then I serve that with an avocado puree, just to kind of take avocados, a little bit of lime juice, salt, and that's it, and puree it up. Pepper mojo sauce to finish, so you can get some Caribbean flavor here in Colorado. It's a good way to shine and make my homeland shine. I can say that my family is kind of a Broadmoor bred family, if you think about it. I met my wife through the Broadmoor, and now we have a little Lillian, little girl. I have the Broadmoor to thank for that, I guess. Definitely the Tavern has been the hardest thing in my life, but also the most rewarding thing in my life, apart from having a daughter.